I want to announce na babalik na ang Student Short Film Contest ng Metro Manila Film Festival. This is open to all students from high school to college. All you have to do is to prepare a 5-minute short film. Yung 5-minute short film na yan ay ididikit sa 8 finalists ng Metro Manila Film Festival. And if you are selected, you will get a prize of 100,000 pesos. That is over and above 20,000 pesos for development of the project and an extra 50,000 pesos for the production. So, sa ating mga ina-expect na kinabukasan ng pelikulang Pilipino, ang ating mga batang filmmakers hindi lamang sa Maynila, kundi sa Bacolod, sa Cebu, sa Davao, all over the country, ito ang pagkakataon ninyo para makilala kayo. Tandaan natin na ang pelikulang Pilipino ay hindi lamang nakasentro sa Maynila, kundi sa 7,000 isla ng ating Republika. Maraming salamat.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Direk Joey Reyes!
Wow, and of course, across kay Direk Paolo, it's really great that we're focusing on the future filmmakers for Philippine cinema. The future is bright with our promising student filmmakers. Excited ako dyan, Jervy!
Excited
pa sa this year eh.
Kasi kailangan bigyan natin ng pansin at suporta yung mga makabagong filmmakers ang ating mga kabataan, di ba? Sila magpapatuloy ng MMFF.
Exactly. Sabi mo nga, inclusivity kanina, talagang the future is bright for MMFF 52. Ngayon naman, for the phenomenal success of the 51st Metro Manila Film Festival comes a new chapter waiting to unfold.
A celebration that brought audiences together, honored the brilliance of Filipino storytellers, and proved once again that Philippine cinema continues to shine brighter than ever.
And now, the journey continues. As we look ahead, we enter a new era of Philippine cinema. One filled with bold stories, fresh voices, unforgettable performances, and boundless possibilities.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MMFF 52. The next great chapter begins now. Let's all watch this.
Last year, we witnessed a new era unfolding.